Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Idris and today I'm going to be showing you actually on Webull. I've been trying to grow my Webull account now, so I'll be showing you how to actually use this tab on Webull to show which I used to buy undervalued or oversold stocks. So if you like this video, just click the like button down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel not to miss out on other videos that's going to be coming on in the future. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. As you can see on the Webull account, my assets are TTCF, which is Tattoo Chef, and I own about 8 shares of this, and I'm down $18.15. Lucid Group, which is the electric car, I own 26 shares of this, and I'm up $136.13. Neo, I'm up $25.22. I own 6 on this brokerage, but also on Robinhood I own some Neos on Robinhood. But also I own Shift Technology, and I'm actually down $46.17, which I own 33 shares. But like I said, this account mostly I buy growth stocks on this account, so I don't really think I'm going to be buying any dividend stock on this account unless I sell some stocks on this account, and I do have some money sitting in there. And maybe if a dividend stock is undervalued or oversold, then I would be buying some stocks with that money on this account. But in dividend I'm being paid on this account, I'm going to be reinvesting manually because I don't think Robinhood Webull has a drip yet. So I might be wrong. Let me know if in the comment down below. Maybe they have actually updated the service, but the last time I checked, they do not have a drip account. But that's not what I want to show you guys today. So the account is valued at $1,256.56, and as you can see, my profit is about $36.66. And let's go to the future I'm talking about. So now if you come to the watch list, so you click on the search button on the top, you see a tab that says screener. The screener, then you create just to show you guys, I already have one here, but I'm going to try to create another one just to show you the steps I used to create this the screener. So market, we choose United States, stocks in the United States region. So market cap, I normally put into 0.50 because I want to get rid of the penny stocks, so I need the blue chip stocks as usual. So when I maximize this all the way down, so that, then the financial indicator, dividend. So a good dividend is from 2 to 5%. That's a good dividend. But sometimes Apple, for instance, so Apple has a dividend yield of I think 0.66 or 0.677, but it's okay also. I just normally put it to 0.1. So anything from 0.1 to 5% is the highest I could go on my dividend. So after that, you click the RS16 oversold. So when you click the RS16 oversold, it's going to show you, actually down here is going to show you the results of how many companies are being oversold at the moment or are undervalued at the moment. So it says 47. So you could always save this. And so you don't have to go through this process every time. But let's just go to view results. So as you can see, these are all the companies that are actually being oversold right now or are undervalued. But most of the time they are being oversold when a lot of firms or when a lot of financial institutions are selling a lot of a particular stock. So when there's a lot of them sold, they normally show on this screen right here. So this is how I find undervalued stock and I buy them on Robinhood. So sometimes I don't really like to time the market, but sometimes it's actually good to have this feature with you because it doesn't really hurt to know sometimes when some stocks are being oversold. So as you can see too, so now if you can also change the market cap to the highest market cap. Okay, now it's at the highest market cap. So as you can see, Kimberly-Clark, which is trading on $129.77, shows this market is under its fair value. But also, if you want to know if this, it shows this market is unsold, is undervalued at the moment, and it's been oversold. But at the same time, if you want to check the fair value of this stock to actually see are you buying the stock at a good price even though it's oversold, because sometimes when the stock is oversold it might be still at a higher price but not at the fair value yet. But I know some people don't like to buy a stock at a higher price, so I try to use the Morningstar report, which is the option they give you on Robinhood if you're using Robinhood code, which is going to show you the fair value of a stock, and it's going to give you other informations on a stock. So if we go to Robinhood and just to see, let's go to Robinhood and see how much Kimberly-Clark. So as you can see, Kimberly-Clark is trading at $129.77, as you see on the previous screen. So the fair value for Kimberly-Clark is 120. So it says at 120, it's a good price to buy it in. So I really don't time the market like I said, but if you want to wait till it drops to 120, good, because it might never drop to 120, but that's the fair value they're giving you, which the analysts have made. That is a fair value to get into a company. But I really didn't get into the company at 120. It was higher than 120 when I got to it, and I think my average cost is 130 and I own 18 shares of it. And as you can see, it's going to give you the rating, and as you can see, it's still not at its fair value. But for me, I really don't care about the fair value. I know the company is a good company and I see they have a good balance sheet, so that's what I look for in a company, and this is a blue chip stock, so I buy companies like this. As you can see, the uncertainty is medium, economic moat is narrow, and the stewardship is exemplary. So going back to Webull, so that's how you're going to find cheap stocks on Webull. This is one of the functions I love to use on Webull, and why I really like the app so much, except the fact that Morningstar gives you a fair value result. I think Webull does that too, but I think you have to upgrade to the level 2 or level 3, I think. But I do not have that option on Webull because I already have it on Robinhood, so I don't see a reason why I should actually have the same option on Webull also. But as you can see, CCL Carnival Cruise is being sold right now, and it's been oversold, and at the same time I think it's undervalued, because I think the fair value for the to get in the stock is around, I think around like $25 or something, or $30. So I think it's undervalued right now. And as you can see, Kellogg, Clorox, big companies, so you're gonna see all of them over here, as long as you put the filter, as long as you filter it to big cap companies. So now you could just hit the save button at the top, and you could save them as a Dividend, like undervalued, / oversold companies, oversold dividend company. Let's just use dividend company, DVC. So you could choose any name you want, but just to put it, just to save it, that's what I use. So when I see that, I just click on it. So when you press save, So this is the screen it's going to come back to, and as you can see right there, it says undervalued / oversold D. So that's the tab I actually wanted to show you guys, and this is actually a really good tab for you to use if you actually a dividend investor or even a growth investor. So it just shows you what companies are being oversold. It shows you like you could get into this company at this price right now. Maybe this company is being oversold a lot, like a lot of people are dumping the shares, and you still believe in this company, so you could buy a lot of stock at a cheap price. So mainly I use this because when the stock is oversold and it's being cheap, so I come to this tab and I try to see if this company is in those lists. Even though if it's not, I still buy the company regardless if I think it's at a good price, but I try to use this tab first. So that seems to be all for the video for today, and if you guys actually like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. If you want to start investing, you can use the link down below for my Webull, and deposit $100 and you get some free stocks from Webull. I haven't used that in a while because I'm not really sure what they actually giving. I do know they're giving some free Tesla shares or something and fractional shares, and also I do know if you want to use buy fractional shares on Webull also, you could actually buy fractional shares on Webull also. So that seems to be all for this video. If you have any more question for me and you want me to answer, leave a comment down below. Thank you and bye.